Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore one of WhatsApp's most useful features, pinning messages in group chats. This feature is perfect for keeping important information visible and easily accessible for all group members. Let's dive into how you can pin a message in a WhatsApp group for up to 30 days. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you want to pin a message. Scroll through the conversation until you find the message you want to keep at the top. This could be anything from event details to important reminders. Now, long press on the message you've selected. This will bring up a menu with various options. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the pop-up menu, select Pin. This is where you decide how long you want the message to stay pinned. You have three options: 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. For this tutorial, we're choosing 30 days. Once you've selected the duration, tap Pin again to confirm. The message will now appear as a banner at the top of your group chat, visible to all members. If you pin multiple messages, the banner will show how many messages are pinned, with the most recent one appearing first. Pinning messages is not only useful for keeping important information visible, but also helps avoid clutter in your group chats. Plus, it's a great way to ensure that new members joining the group don't miss crucial details. However, keep in mind that new members won't see pinned messages unless they were part of the group before the message was pinned. To unpin a message, simply tap and hold on the pinned banner, then select Unpin from the menu. This feature is available on both Android and iOS devices, making it accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching. Pinning messages in WhatsApp groups is a simple yet powerful tool for managing your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.